Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle.
Tiguan R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in this stunning Oyster Silver Metallic finish. This remarkable vehicle is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen with some upstanding features like the black styling pack, which offers a lot of contrasting features. As you can see here, we have the upgraded 20-inch York black alloy wheels, which does complement the exterior finish well and is included in the black styling pack. A fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there as well. ISO fixed point to the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the center console, and USB-C inputs. In this vehicle, you can see we have the multifunction steering wheel giving access to the dashboard display. We'll touch on this soon, and panning around you can see a stunning interior. The new Tiguan interior looks absolutely remarkable. It's had a completely rehashed design. We have an upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. You have your shift paddles on the multifunction steering wheel, and on the dashboard display you can show key information like your driving data, audio and your telephone. The car does feature a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. And over on the left hand side we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed while travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options to choose from, and using the new scroll wheel that the car does feature, you can actually configure your driving modes whilst on the move. Features like Eco offer a more fuel efficient drive, while Sport offers a more performance based drive. As we go into individual, you'll see we can also change the atmospheres as well. And accessing the massage seat functionality, this is a great addition to the vehicle as it allows you to maximize that comfort value with 3 different presets to choose from to offer the maximum comfort level. You can also change the intensity of it as well, and this is the same for the front passenger as well. And the seats are heated as well, and when using them in conjunction with each other, heating and massaging, it creates a luxurious look and feel. The car also features a rear view camera alongside your parking sensors as well, ensuring confidence and safety in every maneuver, ensuring that it minimises the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. We can access it by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.